Once you've clicked on the link in your PDF that you downloaded, it should bring you into Canva. So once you're on the Canva homepage, you're going to want to click the email button, and that will give you a blank template to start with for your email. So we're going to go ahead and shrink down that sidebar, and then we're going to click on Projects. Projects is where you can pull up the email kit that you just downloaded and purchased. And once you click on that, it'll bring up all the elements that are included, all 20 of them, and you can individually apply them to the template. So you can delete them if you want, change your mind, add another one back in, scroll through, add a couple more. The email will continue to build out as you add additional elements onto here. So we're going to go ahead and click this one here with the two different call outs. I want to throw in some images as well, so we're going to throw that one in there. And then I'm going to add my email signature line as well. So now I've got my components in the email. I'm going to change the body background color because I want this to all blend into each other. I don't want it to look like multiple different boxes, so I'm going to show you how to do that here. We're going to click on the actual individual element and hit edit. And then this will bring us into a special screen to edit just this particular element here. So we're going to change that background color. I'm going to make it something a little different here. And then we're going to hit save on the right hand side. And then you can see now it's got a little bit different color on it. We're going to do the same with this one here. And while you're in those edit boxes, you're able to change the images. So I could drag images into those if I wanted to. I could also change the text that's in those different boxes if there's text, and be able to edit it. Now, you can see here that background I chose doesn't quite match up with the original background that we want for the full email. So I'm going to go back into these, and I'm going to choose a different background color. So we're going to click on the background again, and we're going to go and select that proper color now that'll blend it in. So we're going to hit save after we do that, and now you can see they're starting to blend in as one big email body. So it's not going to look like it's separate sections that have different backgrounds and so forth. So we're going to hit save on the second one again, and we're going to do the exact same thing with that third one as well. And that will give us the ability to change that. Now, once you've made those color changes and saved it and you got everything, you're going to export it. And the default option that gives you the images and text should be, and HTML should be the way to export it and upload it into your email the system that you want to use. The other option that you have is that you can actually download them as individual images or PDF. While you're in here, you can change this to PDF and download that if you prefer to attach to an email, or maybe upload somewhere else and so forth. And then depending on your email client, you could also just download from the original template each of the individual items or pages as an image and upload them into your email client as well. Hopefully this was helpful.